going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're getting some more Honda work done. Just a little bit more cleaning. I still have to clean the passenger seat, the back seat, and then all those plastic pieces we removed whenever I took all the carpet out. Go ahead and wipe all that down and get it all cleaned up, looking pretty. And there's a few other things I'd like to get into if we have the time, but let's jump into it.
My face when I fuck on your waist, cause we only have one conversation a week. That's why your friends always hating on me. Fuck them, no, I did this all by myself. Matter of fact, I ain't never asked no one for help, and that's why I don't pick up my phone when it ring. None of my exes is over Lil Peep. Nobody flexing as much as I be. That's why she text me and tell me she love me. She know that someday I'll be over the sea, making my money and smoking my weed. I think it's funny, she opened up to me, get comfortable with me once I got it coming. I love her, she love me, I know that I'm nothing like someone the family want me to be. If I find a way, would you walk it with me? Look at my face while you talking to me, cause we only have one conversation a week. Can I get one conversation at least? Shout out to everyone making my beats. You helping me preach, this music's the only thing keeping the peace when I fall into pieces. Look at the sky tonight, all of those stars have a reason to shine, a reason like mine, and I'm falling to pieces. Look at the sky tonight, all of those stars have a reason.
That was freaking disgusting. The back seat was completely cooked, and they're both gonna need another session, but for right now, I'm just gonna let them dry and we'll jump on it another day. But what we're about to jump into is just wiping down some of these plastic pieces from when we pulled everything from gutting the carpet. But gonna jump into that, and that might be it for today. I wanted to look into like my dome light. It's never worked since I've owned the car. And then I was wanting to mess with the dash a little bit, but we might have to save that for the next video. But let's jump into these plastic pieces quick. You guys, that's a wrap for today's video. Unfortunately, we didn't get as much done as I had planned, but we'll shoot for the next video to get a few extra things done. Right now I'm just focusing on the small, boring cosmetic stuff, but just to let you guys know, got suspension pieces on the way. I got skunk tube camber arms for the front and rear, and I got some hard raised lower ball joints from JHP USA. So I'm excited, and we got some suspension work on the way. But as far as carpet, still looking around on that yet. I haven't pulled the trigger quite yet, but soon. And last but not least, last I looked, I'm sitting at 492 subscribers, and I just wanted to say thank you guys for the love. I appreciate it, and from here on out, you know, I'm gonna keep trying to be posting on Mondays as consistent as I possibly can, and y'all just stay in tune with me. But again, thank you guys, and see you guys in the next video.